Splash in the bubble bath. Kitty laughs in foamy path. Baby shark is coming too. Bubble fun for me and you. Dip, pop, pop, pop. Splash, splash, splash. Let's wash Kitty every day. Kitty jumped into bath so bright. Bubbles glowing soft and light. Splash goes water, fun begins. Kitty spins and grins and spins. Pop, pop, pop. Splash, splash, splash. Bubble bath fun. Go, go, splash. Baby shark swims in fast. Big foam bubbles flying past. Kitty laughs. Slow down, please. I can't see through all of these. Pop, pop, pop. Splash, splash, splash. Bubble bath fun. Go, go, splash. Rub-a-dub soap all around. Bubbles bouncing on the ground. Baby shark goes splash, splash, splash. Kitty says, what a splashy crash. Pop, pop, pop. Splash, splash, splash. Bubble bath fun. Go, go, splash. Bubbles fly up in the air. Kitty tries to catch them there. Pop, pop, they burst away. Bubble bath is fun today. Pop, pop, pop. Splash, splash, splash. Bubble bath fun. Go, go, splash. Baby shark slows it down. No more foam all around. Kitty clean from head to toe. Bath time fun is ready to go. Splash, splash, bubble pop. Kitty bath will never stop. Baby shark and Kitty play. Bath time fun every day. Tidy iron train. Wow. Oh, it's 5 little dinosaurs riding on a train. Chuck, 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 going through the rain. Here, har, here, and stomp, stomp there. Dino chaos everywhere. Riding on a train. Choo, choo, choo. Kitty driving fast, you know. You know. 5 little dinosaurs riding on a train. One slipped down and bumped his brain. Kitty called the owl, and the owl then said, no more dinos jumping on the train. Riding on a train. Hip, choo, cow. Riding on a train. Hip, choo, cow. 4 little dinosaurs. Bingo! 4 little dinosaurs riding on a train. One went wild and broke the chain. Kitty called the monkey, and the monkey then said, stop the dino shaking the train. Choo, choo, train. Choo, choo, choo. Funny dino train. Quack, quack, quack. Hee-haw! 3 little dinosaurs riding on a train. One got stuck in candy the train. Kitty called the panda, and the panda then said, no more candy on the train. Riding on a train. Sticky, sticky train. Riding on a train. Choo, choo, choo. 2 little dinosaurs. Hee-haw! Little dinosaurs riding on a train. One pulled lever once again. Old Kitty called the bunny, and the bunny then said, slow that crazy train right now. Fast, fast train. Choo, choo, choo. Crazy, crazy train. Yee-haw! 1 little dinosaurs riding on a train. He sneezed loud and cracked the pane. Old Kitty called the bunny, and the bunny then said, Dino train is working well. Riding on a train. Choo, choo, go. Riding on a train. Choo, choo, go. Happy Dino steal the show. Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Woo-hoo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Woo-hoo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Woo-hoo. But wait, wait, wait. What's that sound? Kitty's cake is dancing round. Shake, shake. Happy birthday to you, Pie. Happy birthday! Woohoo! Big cake sits on the stand. Kitty smiles and starts to dance. But suddenly the cake says hey, then jumps right up and runs away. Shake, 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 catch the cake. Don't let it escape today. Cake rolls fast across the floor. Kitty chases out the door. Happy birthday to you, Pet Pooh. Happy birthday! Woohoo! Happy birthday to you, Pet Pooh. Happy birthday! Woohoo! Cupcakes bouncing left and right. Candles glowing super bright. Spin, 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 twirl around. Birthday magic all around. Cake spins like a disco ball. Frosting splashes on the wall. Sprinkles flying through the air. Your kitty lights up out of care. Happy birthday to you, Pet Pooh. Happy birthday! Woohoo! Happy birthday to you, Pet Pooh. Happy birthday! Woohoo! Spin, 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 twirl around. Birthday magic all around. Cake slows down and starts to sing. Happy birthday, Kitty Queen. Kitty hugs the magic cake, make blow. Then they eat a giant slice. Happy birthday, hooray, hooray. Kitty's buddies say the day. Happy birthday to you, Pet Pooh. Happy birthday. Woohoo! Happy birthday to you, Pet Pooh. Happy birthday. Woohoo! Happy birthday to you, Pet Pooh. Happy birthday. Woohoo! Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Dancing cake and kitty too. Wow. Farm school opens today. Animals come to learn and play. But oh no, what do we see? No one knows behave properly. Oops, 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 what a show. Cow sits down. Whoa, cow sits down. Desk goes up like bup, bup, bup. Teacher Kitty says, sit, sit, please. Cow goes mew, I eat my cheese. Cow starts chewing desk instead. Bugs bounce over her head. Whoa, moo, moo, sit, sit, fit. Cow still chewing every bit. Pig enters with loud oink, oink. Slides on floor like splash, splink. He runs around the classroom fast. Breaks the chalk and laughs so fast. Kitty says, what, none. Pig says, drums, this is fun. Oink, 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 slow, slow, slow. Pig is running like the show. Rooster jumps on teacher desk. Cock-a-doodle, super best. Kitty says, what? Please. Rooster shouts, no, 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 ease. Doorbell rings, but he rings more. Class becomes loud like roar. Cock-a-doodle, shh, shh. Oh no. Rooster thinks rules are Sheep starts jumping on chair. Ba, 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 everywhere. Duck slides in with splash, splash. Ink spills in the cocoa crash. Let Kitty shout, calm down now. But animals don't know how. Ba, 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 splash, splash, splash. Classroom turns into a crash. Goat enters, eats the board. Chalk table, everything ignored. He says, munch, munch, yummy, test. Kitty sighs, this is a mess. Munch, 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 stop, stop, stop. Goat is eating classroom shop. Kitty crumbs, listen all. Farm school is not a mall. She shows sit, walk quiet to her. Animals try to copy her too. Slowly, slowly they learn today. Behave is fun, they all say right. Farm school now is fun and bright. Learning how to do things right. Moo, oink, ba, and cock-a-doodle too. Good behavior starts with you. Farm school, E-I-E-I-O. Now they know how to go, go, go. Go, 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 go. 5 spooky riders were riding on a bus. Skeleton mummy making lots of fuss. One stood up and bumped his head. Say, Kitty called the owl, and the owl then said, Bounce, No more spooky riding on the bus.
Riding on a 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 bus.
Four spooky riders were riding on a bus. Zombie skeleton causing crazy fuss. One slipped out and broke the wheel. The kitty called the Dino and Dino then said, "Stop the spooky ride on the bus."
Riding on a bus.
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 Three spooky riders were riding on a bus. Mummy witch making lots of fuss. Witch did magic, oops, too fast. A window flew off and didn't last. Kitty called the ghost and ghost then said, "No more magic on the bus."
Riding on a bus.
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 Two spooky riders were riding on a bus. Dracula, zombie, scary little fuss. Dracula laughed and scared the lights. Kitty called the bear and bear then said, "Babe, stop the spooky ride tonight."
Riding on a bus.
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 One spooky rider was riding on a bus. Skeleton crying, feeling big fuss. He jumped too hard and broke the seat. Kitty called the witch and witch then said, "Great! Fix the bus? Fix it fast!"
Riding on a bus.
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 They fixed the bus. Riding on a bus. All spooky riders back again. Kitty smiles and says, "Today, let's all ride in a happy way." Lee-ha!
Riding on a bus.
Riding on a bus.
Riding on a bus.
Riding on a bus. Yum, 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 candy rains. Baby shark eats once again. Pop, pop, pop goes jelly booms. Candy flying round the room. Oops, oops, tummy shake. Too much candy, tummy ache. Baby shark finds candy store. Chocolate falling on the floor. Lollipops and gummy bears. Candy flying everywhere. Baby shark says, "More, more, more." Ben needs a giant candy where as yum 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 chew chew chew. Too much candy, what to do? Baby shark jumps super high. Candy shooting to the sky. Spin 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 around the chair. Sticky jelly in his hair. He slips and slides across the floor. Then wants candy even more. Kitty hears a boom boom boom. Candy bouncing round the room. Baby shark goes, "Oh no me, my tummy feels all wiggly." Kitty says, "Now listen here. Too much candy's not good, dear. No, 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 candy stop. Time for healthy munch munch chop." Kitty brings banana shake. One apple slices on a plate. One crunch 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 goes carrot bite. Baby shark feels all right. Water splash and soup so warm. Healthy food becomes the charm. Crunch, 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 healthy fun. Strong and happy everyone. Baby shark now dances slow. Healthy power starts to grow. Candy sometimes is okay, but not all night and all day. Kitty laughs and claps with glee. Healthy habits leafy. Yum, 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 candy treat. But healthy food is good to eat. Kitty helps and saves the day. Happy shark can laugh and play.